What's up, guys? Next up on the turntable is this 93 Ford Mustang LX Sherriff car. This is a matchbox casting. I will not be doing anything with the paint on this one because I want it to be just the way it is. That being said, I'm going to basically turn it into a premium, do a wheel swap on it, put some real riders on it. Although I do feel like these wheels fit this car very well, which is usually pretty rare for me anyway. Do a little bit of detailing on it, get the wheels swapped out. Should be a pretty quick video. I'll get to it and be back. Well, I got to it. These are the results. I am extremely happy with the way this turned out. I know I say it in a lot of my videos, but I'm a big Mustang fan. And I've always had a special place in my heart for the Highway Patrol Mustang cars. As I mentioned, I swapped out the wheels with some real riders. Coming around the back, did the whole tail light assembly, the flashers inside the back window. Did the parking lights, a little small Ford emblem on the front of the car. And spinning back around, you can see the side mirrors there. And then as far as the light bar on top of the car, it was actually a hollowed out space, so I just took a very tiny piece of paper and cut it down to size, and then colored it with a Sharpie and stuffed it up in there. Thought it was going to be a pretty big challenge when I decided to try to do something with that light bar. I didn't want to paint it like I did the parking lights. So that was actually the first idea I had come up with, and I really liked it, so I stayed with it. Also did the exhaust under the car. You can see the tip sticking out the back there. Did the rear differential up underneath of it. Left most of the stuff black. Try to give you a little shot of that real quick. Not much to it. Yeah, like I said, guys, I'm extremely happy with the way it came out. I mean, I liked it the way it came as a mainline. I liked it enough to buy a 5-pack for that one car, which I typically never ever do. There's another off-road bug from the Gulf collection that I've been wanting, but it's in a 5-pack and I just won't bring myself to buy it. But I didn't even hesitate when I saw this one in the 5-pack. Definitely one of my new favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.